Each summer, as has happened for over a century, dog trainers and their families travel to the North American prairies. Their destination is a bird dog camp, often based at a former pioneer homestead featuring tattered Sears houses, sun-washed barns, and endless crop fields. In the beginning, these families traveled by covered wagons and horse-drawn buggies. But today, it's dual-wheeled trucks and horse trailers that cruise the countryside, carrying descendants of America's greatest bird dogs. Here on the prairie, there is a harmonious confluence between America's north and south. Each morning, the handlers rise to begin the day's chores, catch horses, preparing the running order, and checking the temperature, among others. But most importantly, the day's tasks are to mine for the best field trout prospects. While trial dogs are the primary focus, many trainers also study hunting dogs to prepare them for the upcoming season. The handlers look for run, style, and bird finding ability in the young prospects, in front of a gallery of riders that may change day to day. For the bird dog, success is based on simple ingredients: run hard, find birds, and prove your value. While optimism is present, promise and prestige are often met by reality. Not every dog can make the circuit. To be astride a horse in the prairie is to take a step back in time. It's peaceful these days, but this was not always the case. The promise of the northern prairies is not lost on these folks. Without these summer camps, it'd be difficult to discern which dogs have the most potential. This oasis of the plains is worth conserving. It's their livelihood. Each brace today is a better chance to win tomorrow. Out here, though, there is one truth that reigns supreme. A dog on point behind a covey is always a success.
Summer camp is pared down to the basics, a stark contrast to the pageantry of the field trial season. But throughout the 2 months spent up here, memories are made and legends are born. While the world continues to move faster, time seems to stand still amid the vast horizons. As a newcomer to the scene, I'm amazed by the dedication and devotion that these handlers have to their craft. Their techniques and tactics each day mirror the last, but there are subtle nuances to this art. This is the tradition of a true dog handler, a trip to the north. Before they depart, they look toward the dominating sky and pray it wasn't their last.